In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the background color on Visme. If you've ever wanted to customize the look of your Visme projects to better fit your style or brand, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly modify the background color of your canvas. First things first, you need to have your Visme project open in the editor. If you're not there yet, go ahead and open the project you want to work on. Once you're inside, select the canvas or the background. This is a crucial step because, to change the background color, you need to ensure that you're not selecting any shape or object that might be on your slide. Simply click anywhere on the blank part of the slide or canvas. This action tells Visme that you want to modify the background as opposed to any other elements you might have added to your project. Now that you've selected the background, it's time to open the background color picker. Take a look at the top toolbar or the background tool panel, which should be visible on your screen. You'll notice a small color square or box. This is what you'll use to bring up the color picker. Go ahead and click on it to see your options. Within the color picker, you have several choices for how you'd like to adjust your background. Let's start with solid colors. If you're aiming for a bold or specific background shade, you can either browse through the available palette or directly enter a hex code if you have one in mind. This is particularly useful if you're matching a brand color or have a specific aesthetic you want to adhere to. If, instead of a solid color, you're going for a minimalist or modern design, you can opt for a transparent background. This can often add a sleek, professional touch to your project, especially if you're blending different elements seamlessly on your slide or have dynamic media that overlay the background. To achieve this transparency, simply look within the color picker for the option that says No Background or None. Selecting this will make your canvas transform into a clear, transparent layer. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to editing the background color in Visme. With these easy-to-follow instructions, you can tweak and personalize your project to make sure it resonates exactly with your vision. Don't hesitate to play around with different colors and transparency settings to discover the best look for your presentations or designs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Visme.